I decided to bring you guys back so you can see me fix my eyebrows because I already look crazy. Why do my eyebrows have to suffer and look crazy too, right? We are ready for the henna to do its magic. It is 5:17 and I probably will take it off before I go to bed, so I'll give it at least 5 hours. Oh no! I am trying to edit, but the child that sounds like a cat keeps, there he goes again. He keeps opening his mouth, and so therefore I will not be getting any editing done anytime soon. Hey, we're filming, okay. Shit. So I'm back, and I've got hair now. It's gray. My friend lent me a wig. A lot happened. Oddly enough, I even got my nails done. But this one is gone, so there's that. But I'm gonna get this off because it is 1:49 a.m. and I am tired as shit, so let's do this. Essentially, all you'll need is a butter knife, and all I do is just try to gently coax the henna off with the butter knife. And of course, whatever you don't get, you can kind of just scrub off in the shower or leave on and it will fall off on its own. And the longer you leave it on, the better your results. So if you're brave enough to sleep with these on with when you go to bed and wake up in the morning and take them off then more power to you. But I am way too afraid of one of these things coming off and getting stuck in my eye, and then I end up getting blinded for the rest of my entire life. So yeah. But yeah, this is the whole process. I'm just gonna keep scraping until there's no more. Y'all will see. Y'all will see for sure. And sometimes this process not hurts, but you might have to scratch a little harder than comfortable. But it's all part of the process, and if something isn't coming off, don't force it. It'll eventually fall off on its own or soften up when wet. So you will be okay. I'm making myself nervous for no reason. This is my 4th time doing this. I don't want this in my eye. Oh, the last 2. I gotta make sure I got all of them. I look like I got a rash. I'm looking better than ever. Alright guys, I'll show you the results in the morning. So that's how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, my friends.